Hi Glam fam, I'm Anne, the founder and CEO of Glamnetic, and I am so excited to announce that we're finally coming out with half lashes. Yes, half lashes. This was highly requested from so many people since Glamnetic started, just because you can add that extra oomph, you know, when you want to go for more of a natural look. So we came out with 4 gorgeous styles. The name of this collection is called Pillow Talk. The name of each lash is inspired by the names you call your significant other during those pillow talk moments. The half lashes are stored in handcrafted silk at the bottom to offer that bedroom dreamy vibe. And I mean, I can't get over this packaging. I've never seen a lash box like this ever. So this was a completely new idea that our team had. It just screams luxury. These lashes are made from the same fibers that we used in our Let's Get Virtual collection, which offer the highest quality of faux mink material, giving you that look of mink, but not actually being mink. So they are super fluffy, full volume, and look really natural. Crazy enough, we were able to fit 6 small comfort fit magnets, the same magnets that were on our Let's Get Virtual lashes. We were able to fit 6 of them on here, so they have an extra strong hold just because they are more concentrated on half of the lash band. And just like all of our other packages, we've decided to add magnetic anchors as a complimentary add-on to all of the packages. So make sure you remove the anchors off the actual lash band before you apply them onto your eye. So I'm gonna talk about the half lashes from the most natural to the most high volume ones. So first off, we have Princess. Princess is a light volume half lash, and it's way more tapered at the outer corners. It gives you that perfect natural girl next door look. And then next up we have Sweetie. Sweetie is a medium volume half lash, also super natural in length, slightly shorter than Princess on the outer corners, so it doesn't have as dramatic of a tapered effect, but really subtle and perfect again for everyday wear. And next up we have Honey. Honey is a medium volume half lash, which grabs a little bit more attention than Sweetie because it does have more volume packed in there, but super gorgeous. And then finally we have Queen. Queen is the one that I'm currently wearing. As you know, I love big dramatic lashes, and these ones are obviously not as dramatic as the other ones, but on me they actually do look really subtle and natural, but they are the most volume packed ones. What's amazing about half lashes, guys, also is that they complement and emphasize all eye shapes, so it's so gorgeous. So for the application, it's super easy. It's even easier than the other lashes we have because there's only a half lash. So you just want to use a magnetic liner. I'm using the So Future magnetic felt tip pen in the shade Deep Space. I'm just gonna line my eyes as I normally do. I want to make sure I do go on the inside and go all the way out as I normally would when applying a full strip lash, just so there's continuity here on the inner corner as well, and the lash band doesn't just start abruptly. So once I apply the liner, I'm gonna take our half lash in the style Queen. Remember to remove the anchors, guys. There's anchors on the inner and outer corner of the lashes. So before you place them on, make sure to remove these little baby anchors and put it back in the tray. You can apply the anchors optionally after you actually place the lashes on. And placing them on is super easy because you're only dealing with a half of a lash. You want to make sure you place it on the outer corner. Line it up with right where your eyes end on the outer corner. And then boom. Press it down so that it's on. And literally, that's it. For a half lash, this gives you such a subtle, natural look. Again, I'm just gonna hold it and then place it right on the outer corner, just like that. Press it down, boom. It's really easy to get it perfect because you're not dealing with an entire strip, so this application is even faster than our full strip lash. What's amazing about these half lashes is they look seamless on your eyes if you line your eyes properly and just, you know, start at the inner corner and go out, and it elongates your eyes because there's more volume at the outer corner. So That's the beautiful thing with half lashes. All right guys, now let's talk pricing. So for the half lashes, all half lashes will retail at a cheaper price than a normal full lash at $24.99 USD.
Pillow Talk Half Lash Collection is launching Friday, January 8th at 10 a.m. PST. For early access, you can get the collection a whole day early on Thursday, the 7th at 5 p.m. PST. All you have to do is download our app.
You guys are gonna fall in love with our half lashes. And as always, thank you so much guys for watching. We appreciate your love and support.